So you cannot compare the glow that you are seeing now to the previous face that you saw in the beginning of this video. This is a testament that you can repair your skin barrier with affordable products. Check the skin now. Check how soft it's looking. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi, Favy, your bestie when it comes to skincare issues. If today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi, Favy, like I said earlier, and here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, girls tips, nutrition. Okay, we talk about everything that a girl has to know. So you might want to subscribe because subscribing to this channel is absolutely free. So in today's video, I'm talking about how to fix your broken skin barrier, because when I came back from NYSC orientation camp, I noticed that my skin barrier was broken. The ways at which you can know that your skin barrier is broken is that your skin will start feeling very sensitive, very red, very irritated, like easily irritated, very dry. I just had my bath and I already washed my face off the camera, and see how dry my skin is. Okay, so I'm trying to fix my skin barrier, and I'm going to be showing you the products that I use when fixing my skin barrier, how I use them, and what actually fixes my skin barrier in this routine. So this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch. Just sit back and let's dive into the video. The very first thing you're going to be needing when fixing your skin barrier would have to be a cleanser, of course. Although I already washed my face off camera, and I did that using a particular one from Face Facts. This one is Face Facts Ceramide Foaming Cleanser, because I have an oily and acne prone skin. If you have a normal skin or a sensitive skin, I would advise that you go for the hydrating cleanser. So the particular one is the foaming cleanser that contains 5 ceramide. It contains niacinamide and also hyaluronic acid. The ceramide will help to restore my skin barrier and also prevent my skin barrier from being damaged. Okay, while the niacinamide will actually help in my oil control, to help to control the way I produce or secrete oil on my skin. And the hyaluronic acid is supposed to lock in moisture on my skin. So this particular one is a good buy. I'm going to be setting the prices at which these products are being sold. And if you don't know, I sell this product myself. You can shop via our website, which is Skinterest. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description box if you want to shop from me. And also I'm going to be dropping the phone number or the WhatsApp number that you can text in case you don't want to go through the hustle of shopping through the website. And after washing my face using a cleanser, the next thing I will go in with will have to be a toner. And when I'm picking a toner, I'll pick a toner that will not, strip my skin off with natural oil, a toner that would help to repair my skin, a toner that will help to lock in moisture, and furthermore protect my skin barrier from being damaged. And for toners, I've used a particular one from Tony Moly. This is Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Toner. I've talked about this toner a whole lot on this channel, and a particular toner contains ceramide, which would help to protect my skin barrier, repair my skin barrier, and give me a soft looking skin. So it is milky in nature. This is how it looks. I'm going to actually be using it in this routine. Just 2 pumps is okay. So this is how I apply it. Remember to make sure that your hands and your face are clean. Okay, please do not use a dirty hand and do not apply on a dirty face. Okay, this toner is so nourishing, so hydrating, and it gives my skin that extra moisture that I deserve. Okay, whenever your skin barrier is broken, your skin will be very dry. So while I wait for my skin to get dry and absorb this goodness that I just applied on it, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips using this lip oil. Please, at night, do not use gloss. You can use lip oil. So now my lips are also moisturized. The next product you're going to be needing if you want to fix your skin barrier badly would have to be this, okay, a sheet mask. Okay, and I personally handpicked the particular one that contains aloe vera. This is Bio Aqua Aloe Vera 99% hydrating soothing facial mask. And should I bust your bubbles, on Skinterest you're going to be getting 12 of these masks for just 4,500 naira. So you might want to check the description box so that you will get the phone number to chat for you to secure a slot, because this is not much. I know that people are going to rush it. When you want to fix your skin barrier, you're going to be needing a sheet mask. Sheet mask is actually going to like help to, you know, lock in moisture, hydrate your skin, and also give you that extra feeling that you need. And I do this every week. Okay, I do this once every week. This would help to keep my skin in check and also make my skin soft. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be opening it and just allow you to watch. So now I have gone ahead to apply my sheet mask, and I'm going to allow it to sit on my face for 10 minutes. The importance of sheet mask is that it's going to like lock in moisture, and this particular one contains aloe vera, which would help to soften up my skin. Okay, which will help to soften my skin, calm irritation, calm redness, calm itchiness, calm anything, and just give me a plump and hydrated skin. So I'm going to come back after 10 minutes to show you the next product. Now it's already 10 minutes and we're going to be removing our sheet masks. Okay, my face feels so good, so good, and you're not going to be wasting it immediately. You're not going to be trashing it immediately. Use it to, you know, apply the remaining products on your neck, on your ear, and any other parts that you feel like you did not apply very well. Now I'm going to for my face to properly dry, then we'll go in with the next product. So the next product I'm going to be going in with will have to be this serum from Face Fact. Okay, this serum is called the Face Fact Ceramide Serum, and if you noticed, I've been using products that contain ceramide because obviously my skin barrier is broken. That is the hack. You're going to find that ingredient that will fix that particular skin concern or skin problem that you are currently having, which the only ingredient that can fix your skin barrier is ceramide. And this particular ceramide actually helps to soften, protect, and also hydrate your skin. This is very good. Like, it is affordable and it does the job. That's just it. Okay, so I'm going to be applying just 3 drops on my face while my face is still damp. I don't want my face to be very dry after applying the sheet before I apply my serum, so that all of them can sink into my skin and do its job. So I'm going to be applying it on my face like this. Like, if you follow this routine the way I'm just saying it, your skin will thank you later. You can never ever go wrong with a ceramide serum. Not talk of the one from Face Fact. You can never go wrong with it. Okay, so for the fact that we applied our sheet mask does not mean that we're not going to moisturize our skin. Okay, your skin still needs moisture, a lot of moisture, even on the days that you are trying to repair your skin barrier. And for me, I use particular one from Snail Gel. This particular Snail Gel is very potent, very effective for repairing your skin barrier or preventing your skin barrier from being broken. You can either use the aloe vera gel, but already use the aloe vera mask. That's why I'm using Snail Gel in this routine. Snail Gel would help to soften your skin, help to calm your skin, ease irritation, you know, make your skin not to be dry, because it would help to actually hydrate your skin and lock in extra moisture. All these points that you're already packing on your skin will help to lock in moisture, but this particular one will help to also lock in moisture and also seal all the moisture that you have gotten from other products. Okay, this is the reason why you have to make this to be your night skincare routine, so that you can take your time to actually apply all these products and relax. Yes, that day will be a day that you're going to pamper your skin. Just going to allow your skin to be pampered and feel fresh. So I'm going to apply this moisturizer now. This is how it looks. It is very thick, although not too thick. It is gel-like. Okay, so once I apply this on my skin, I am done with this routine. And once you are done moisturizing your skin, that is the last step. You are done. Congratulations. So you cannot compare the glow that you are seeing now to the previous face that you saw in the beginning of this video. This is a testament that you can repair your skin barrier with affordable products. Check the skin now. Check how soft it's looking. You can also make yours to be very soft like this. So this is how to effectively repair your skin barrier while on a tight budget and get your glow back. So if you're suffering with skin irritation, redness, dryness, or acne, because your skin barrier is broken, this routine would help to fix that your broken skin barrier. And this routine can also prevent your skin barrier from being broken in the first place. And there you have it, my loves. This is my affordable night skincare routine that can help to fix your broken skin barrier or prevent your skin barrier from being broken. If you have watched the particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section telling me the part that you enjoyed most in this video, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And also remember to like this video, share it to someone that you know that is battling with her skin barrier or does not want her skin barrier to even crack. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.